Okay, so I developed the problem, and the first one is pick a number greater than 2 but lower than 4.
3.
Okay. Add 5 to your number. Multiply by 2. Subtract 4 from your number. Divide by 2. And then subtract by 3.
Subtract 3?
Yeah. That's what I meant. And then, so, it's the same as what you started with. I kind of cheated, but that's how it went. Okay, so I'm going to be explaining a little bit about my number trick. So, like it was in the first, I had to make it where you would always begin with the number 3. Because it was really the only number that I checked and that I was certain would work for this. So I'm sure there's probably another number that would work, but this is just the one I chose. So we'll start with 3. And then next we have to add 5 to our number. So we get 8. And then we have to double our number, so we have to multiply by 2. Okay, so now we have to subtract 4 from our number. So the reason why I did that is because I wanted to basically counter adding 5, so we'd technically only be adding 1 to it. So then we'd have 12 after that. And now we have to divide by 2. So the reason why I subtracted 4 is because I needed the 16 to become a 12, because then I could get that down to a 6. So after, I'll just do it up here. We divide by 2, that's 6, so it would be 6. And then after we did that, there's multiple things I could have done, but I decided to subtract by 3. So it's subtracting the same number as the number on the top, but usually that would just be 3. So then we'd still end up with 3, so it'd be the same number as the number we began with. And really what we did when we divided by 2, that countered multiplying by 2, so technically we didn't necessarily do that. But it was just kind of a setup to get it back to 6 so I could subtract by 3 and get the number back to 3. That's just how I thought about doing my number trick. Thank you for watching my video.